For more information, please visit our website at DarkCybernetics.com. This is DarkCybernetics C++ Programming 101. Follow along with our free course documentation. In this video, we'll quickly create a new project using the code blocks compiler. Well, a new empty project using the code blocks compiler here on the projects tab for a C++, basic C++ application. There are many other application things we can do, but we just need a simple empty project for this application example, right? If you do not have a folder for C++, you simply just need to specify a location and rename the location for your particular project and leave the slashes for those of you unfamiliar with a Windows machine, right? We will just name the project. We will call this one Hello World, which is a basic C++ application. And click Next, and we click Next again. Here on the side is our Project tab. In the Project tab, we can add a new file to this by going up to the New and Empty file. And when we save the file, we need to save the file as a .cpp file, right? So we have a folder, we have Hello World, and right now by default it is in .c, which is a C program. We can name it .cpp. We will rename it as main. Okay, then we click Save, and we will give you some options here. We're just going to click OK, right? That's fine, right? What we need to type in first is our input and output stream operator. So we can use the #include, and we need to use the bracket things for our iostream, as there are other streams like in and F stream, and we're going to include the namespace std here. We can just go std : for our this, and we just need to output a message. So inside of our main function, this is where the center portion of our program we use for things. We will return 0, and our terminating statement is the semicolon for these statements, and we need to go cout, and there's a cin and a cout, but we're going to output our message by using our double notions here, right? And we put the message here, Hello World, and we use a semicolon there, and we press the build button and the run button, and comment can be implemented with a double slash. We say Hello World here. In the comment section, nothing will be compiled during that region. This is just for user sake. We type in the name of the website and what we intend to do, and hopefully if we press the button, if everything is in place, we should get no errors down here at the bottom, and after that is complete, we should be able to press the run button and get an output. And for more information, please visit our website at DarkCybernetics.com.